Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11th CBSE Maths Linear Inequalities Exercise 6.3 question number 9. Let's see the question. Solve the following inequalities graphically. So we are going to solve it by graph. Here they have given 5x plus 4y is less than or equal to 20. X is greater than 1 and y is greater than or equal to minus 2. We don't know to solve in inequality, but we know to solve in equal to form, that is in equations form. So I am going to write the given inequality to a equation will be equal to 20. If this is equal to 20, we can find the values of x and y by substituting any value. If I substitute x to be 0, then y will be equal to 5. If I substitute y to be 0, then x will be equal to 4. So first one we have completed. The second one, if I take x is equal to 1, by substituting any value of y, we get x to be 1. The same way y is equal to 2, by substituting any value of x, my y will be equal to 2. So we can plot the point on the graph. Now let me point it on the graph. First one is 0, 5 for the first equation. Next one 4, 0. Join it, extend the line, join the points, extend the line. This is the line for 5x plus 4y equal to 0. Now for the second one, 1, 0. 1, 2. So this is the graph for the second equation. Now for the third one, 0, 2, 1, 2. So this is the graph for the second equation. Now take any point. This is the graph for the equal to graph, not for inequality. Take any point. I am going to take 0, 0 as my point. If I take 0, 0 as my point, substitute in all the inequalities and check whether it satisfies the equation. If I substituting 0, 0 in all the three, here we get substitute on the question. So 0 is less than or equal to 20. So just see the greater than or equal to symbol. Here 0 is less than 20 is true. Now for this, 0 is greater than or equal to 1 is false. Because 0 is not greater than 1. Here 0 is greater than or equal to 2 is also false, because 0 is not greater than true. If it is true, then therefore shading is towards the origin. Shading should be towards the origin. If it is false, therefore shading should be away from the origin. It should be away from the origin. If it's true, it should be towards. If it's false, it is away from the origin. Therefore the common shaded will show you the common shaded region shows the solution of the inequality. Inequality graph. Now let us do the shading on the graph. This is the conclusion. Now let us see. We have taken a point here. This is the first graph. It should be towards the 0, 0. So your shading will be here. So it is towards the 0, 0. For this thing it is false, so it should be away. So for this line it should be away. we can see that this is common area of all the three. And for this line, the shading should be away. So if you see, here is the common of all the three. So this is your solution. If you see the graph here, the three shaded region intersect here. So this will be your common region. This is the solution set for the given graph. So that's all with your graph. Thank you.